always been a fortress, cold secret deep inside. You have secrets too, but you don't have to. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an easy drawing. So today is super bombastic. So let's get on to the video. Black. You see I'm using Faber-Castell black. Prussian blue. White. Now I'm using Prussian blue to color it. Okay. Mix it together, white. And also I'm using at the bottom Prussian blue for mixing all together. And then I'll use black for bordering the east of east. Then I'm using the tree to color it black. I'm using a flower stick. Then white. White with the flowers I'm using. Okay. Then let's draw the moon all together. Then I'll add some stars. You see, it's amazing. Now I'll remove all the tapes. Easy painting for beginners. I'm also a beginner. And for beginners, we need tape for painting, right? Okay, now let's remove all the tapes. Yep. So it's the final look. You see, it's the final look you ever seen. Wow, it's bombastic picture. So please like and comment down below how you like the painting. Bye.